Hello. Where are you now?
Hello, I am at station.
Why are you still there?
My train is running late.
Did they announce the reason?
Yes, there is heavy rain.
Are many people waiting there?
Yes, the station is crowded.
Did you find a place sitting?
Yes, I found one bench.
Did you eat anything there?
No, I skipped my dinner.
Please buy something warm in there.
I bought 1 cup coffee.
Is the train coming now?
No, it is delayed again.
Are you talking with anyone there?
No, everyone looks very quiet.
The children are missing you.
Tell them I am coming.
I will keep dinner ready.
Thank you so much.